This circuit will be used for the game Stop the Music. What you will do is push the press switch and then place the magnet on the reed switch. When you remove the magnet, the music will stop playing. Now, you would have a player, you would have several players, and you would blindfold one of them and see how long it takes for them to remove the magnet from the reed switch, turning off the music. And the player who takes the least amount of time to remove it will be the winner. Project 81 is very similar to number 68 if you have seen that one. We will turn on the press switch and the Happy Birthday song will play. Then hitting the touch plate with one finger causes the music to restart all the way from the beginning. The music will be restarted even if it is still playing. We're going to turn on the press switch. Now please turn down your volume because this might be loud. The police car siren sounds and the LED flickers. The integrated circuit is controlling the current going through the LED via the sound that the speaker produces. This project is similar to 59 in that the LED flashes when the speaker produces a certain sound, a certain tone or pitch of sound. Project 83, known as Bank Robbery Starts, will require you to turn on the press switch. You hear the police siren, but then you will touch and hold down the touch plate, and you will hear what sounds like a machine gun. You could pretend that a bank robbery is happening and gunshots are coming from the robbers who are trying to get away with whatever money they can. This circuit simulates how a movie technician might reenact a robbery in a movie. A robbery scene in a movie. You can try and create your own battle. Immediately following Project 83 would be this one in which you push the momentary switch and hold it down. And you will be pretending that, you could pretend that an ambulance or fire truck is heading over to the scene to stop the bank robbery and to help anyone who may have been injured. Like the previous ones, this sound effect is often used by movie set sound engineers to indicate the end of the robbery. Project 85 will follow up on Project 84, and we will turn on the press switch and then place the magnet on the reed switch. The fire engine or ambulance siren will sound. Then you can pretend that you are watching a movie for the final shot during a robbery, and then hitting the touch plate once will create a final series of gunshot sounds that will end the event. And therefore, hopefully, that could be the end of the movie, too. Also, hopefully, nobody was hurt during the robbery. We're going to push the press switch, and you will hear space battle sounds. Now, a sound technician might begin a scene for a movie with this effect. The space battle effects. And they can be changed once again by pressing either the momentary switch or the touch plate. Now, I didn't demonstrate Project 87 because I basically covered the principle in Project 86, in which you could use the momentary switch or touch plate to change the space battle effects. But for Project 88, perfect timing counts. With the circuit on, I am going to touch the touch plate, and we are going to pretend that 3 events take place in outer space exactly 3 seconds apart from each other. So I'm going to count to 10 after hitting the touch plate. And now there were 3 events that took place approximately 3 seconds apart from each other. And that's another quality that movie technicians have when they are producing films, especially with this genre, science fiction. For this project, we will have the reed switch in place, and then I will push the press switch, and we hear a space battle sound. And then I'm going to turn the circuit off and place the magnet so it's upright on the reed switch, and then turn on the press switch again. The sound is different. This is called changing power on effect. The principle is pretty simple.